Woo!
Backflip.
Epic!
Yeah?
There he is! What is up, Everett?
Thought we would do some KRATON action.
Look at this, side by side. The new EXB that I unboxed and bashed here a short while ago.
That's right.
And the original KRATON that you have from many years ago.
I think it's a V3.
So, side by side comparison. Do you have your body pins in?
You know what, is it easier to do it on my tailgate that's not so freaking high?
Oh, I'm sorry. Is this too high? Careful, don't hurt yourself on my huge hitch
make
there.
It look like I'm 4'11" here.
How tall are you? You're shrinking, you're getting older.
68 inches.
Dude, when you see this shot, the truck looks like a giant. You look like 4 feet tall.
That's what I mean.
All right, let's go put it on your tailgate. All right, let's do that. That's better. We don't get so much glare then. So this is the EXB. I unboxed it a short time ago. This is the Horizon Hobby Extreme Basher version that comes with all of the hop-ups and upgrades. If I may,
do it up.
Notice how I got permission before I went under.
Well, you know, I like that you asked before you touched.
You know, exactly. So for right here, you can see Tactic Radio. He's got the chassis brace right here. Nothing across the top. And it looks like that's the plastic servo holder that's there. So powerful ESC right here. What does this say on it? The 185, the BLX 185, yeah.
Yeah.
And then what is this one? I don't even remember. It's been so long. This is a 2050 kV. So same thing on mine. Except I got the smart setup in here. Look at this this big brace right across here.
Yeah.
To stop it from doing that banana shape.
I saw that on their bigger version. Was it the 8S version of this?
Yes.
So they must have taken it, because that was out before this, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so they must have liked how that was protecting some support on that chassis.
It looks like when I bashed it last time, I didn't have any issue at all. I didn't break any piece, which is amazing. I noticed your bumper is quite non-existent.
Oh yeah, look at that difference there. Hey?
And look at the kind of flex that's on the bumper, man. It can move like crazy.
Oh yeah, it's kind of more similar to the Outcast.
Yes. Okay, tires, they seem the same. I wonder, they don't feel any different. Let's take them out and rip them.
Let's do it.
6S power?
Yeah, 6S.
Yeah, success with success. Okay, so you know what they asked for last time that I never did here?
I didn't listen.
There was an inner tube over here, like the pipe that we should have tried to go round and round in.
Yeah.
Shall we do a double?
Yeah.
Oh, there's shit in it. I am willing to do it. Dude, so hard to see because of the shadow. How high do you think this is? Like 4 feet?
Yeah, almost 5. Yeah, 5 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get this for everybody. So don't whip out in the middle, just keep going. Good luck. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa! And it drove out on the other side. It's like a corkscrew. You got to be careful you don't work your way right out of the end. Is that what she said? Everett's turn. Good luck, bro. Good luck. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Straight out the other end. Corkscrew action.
Let's try that again.
Yeah, well, back up. You go straight. You're pointed at me. 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
I was trying to do a little slower to keep it in there.
Dude, you did it. Good job. Oh! Oh my God. I'm so glad. That nearly took my fucking head off.
There was no controlling that.
Dude, that was like...
We're not doing that again.
Oh my God.
It couldn't have perfectly... It was like the world went slow-mo for me.
Just missed me, man. Okay, let's move on. An ARRMA bullet.
Sometimes ideas are just...
Yeah, I shouldn't have been standing so fucking close. That's my problem. Come on, let's hit some jumps. I think I'll stay way back here for the moment.
Alright, I can't see the landing, so let's do it.
Can't see the landing. Good luck. Oh, nice! You broke it! Good luck! Broken! You can fix it! Yay! What happened? What happened?
The bolt for the top of the shock just broke.
That's
the shock
it?
Tower. That's it.
So you can pop it back
pop
on?
a new screw in and we'll be good to go.
Nice. Doctor, what is the verdict?
Just trying to find a screw long enough here. Should be good here.
Uh-oh.
We'll be good.
Dun, 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 dun,
We'll
dun.
get something jammed in there, you know.
And we're back! That was a simple repair. Go ahead. Back in the game.
Nice one! Ah! Upside down.
Nothing broken?
No, we're good.
Nothing broken! It's the only problem with not being able to see the other side of your landing. Like being safe, we know that there's nobody else here right now. But when you can't see the other side of your landing, you can't judge where the car is in the air, which means you can't correct it, which means you're gonna hurt the truck. Thankfully, extreme basher, I didn't even hurt it yet. Another jump! Yeah, good job. Let's go hit the big one.
That probably looks pretty cool.
Oh, just cleared the log.
Oh boy.
Lucky. Oh yes, successful front flip.
Oh no! I think same thing I did.
Look that. Is it the same thing? Yeah,
I got
my
a feeling.
shock
Oh no,
came
yours.
off.
Yeah.
Yeah,
let's
my
see.
shock
Oop.
came off. Look at this. Come on, bring it in.
Let me
Look
get
at
the
this.
other side, yeah.
All I did,
Oh, the bottom.
I broke the bottom of the shock, the eyelet right here, and
Oh,
it's
yeah.
plastic, eh? So if I was gonna give this an upgrade, boom, where would it be?
Well, let's
right-
go pop that in for today.
Right there. Yeah,
can
man,
still
we're gonna
keep
hit
going.
that pipe anyway. I just gotta get the drive shaft back where it's. Hold on. I just gotta get the drive shaft back. There it is. Oh, that feels so much better. Now, I must warn you, if you hit the pipe too slow, you may hit the second pipe on the other side. No bueno.
Oh, okay, I see it.
Yes. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, see who goes first. Winner goes first.
I don't even know where I left my truck right now.
We go 1, 2, 3 then. One, two, three, then. I win.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess I go first. Dang it. How's that a win? Your truck's right here.
That's yours.
You're going senile. It's right there.
You can see it behind the log.
God, now that you're a dad, we barely see
Oh,
you in
God.
your mind.
Tell ya.
We're going. Oh yes, I landed on my wheels. I bounced on my roof. I'm making excuses for a failed landing, but that was still awesome. I get to go again. Oh, yes! Now it is your chance. I think you can do it. I got 1 failed landing, 2 jumps in total. Good luck to you. Well, I'm almost ready. This is his big moment.
All right, here we go.
Good luck. 1, 2. Oh, that was even better than mine!
Just stops dead on the ground.
Dude, it was just perfect. 1, 2. Absolutely great job.
Try that again.
Dude, and it's still working. Okay, now we have to get your slow-mo shot. was that? Knuckles that!
I don't know what you call that, but
That was
double
mint!
front flip 180.
You landed backwards, that is correct. Dude, congratulations.
Thanks, that was pretty
That
epic.
was dope.
Is it this?
Everett's feeling frisky now. He's got a little bashing into him.
Get a few minutes of practice on the wheel,
You know, he's feeling it. After you. No, I insist, after you. Oh, way too far! Oh, onto the rocks!
I was not expecting it to fly that hard.
Dude! It just wants to launch and go airborne.
I'm going.
Oh, and he landed it!
Oh!
Wow, my God! Oh, you busted.
The bottom broke like yours this time.
Is it the eyelet?
Exact same, yeah.
So that means we just need to get some metal ones, hey? That should stop that problem right away. And just break the arm instead.
Yeah, no worries.
Well, did you have fun, Everett?
I had a blast.
Is the KRATON worth it?
It's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome.
I would
It's,
say it is one of the toughest trucks I've had.
I mean, people, you know, I hope they don't gauge like, oh, it broke. Yeah, because we took it off a 25
Well, we sent it as far and wide as we could on what we have. I'm going to send it one more time over the tube.
Heck yeah,
just for
bud.
the hell of it, because this is RC Adventures and we give it all to you right here.
That's right.
Here we go for the crowd. Everybody drop a like click right now. It doesn't matter if I land it full speed. Oh. Oh, yeah, I busted the back arm.
Something's busted in the back.
Dude, that was hard to judge on the landing. It landed right on the back, but I don't think it's a big deal yet again. It wouldn't be a bashing fest if we didn't actually break our truck,
Heck
right?
no, it wouldn't be. I don't even know where mine is.
Dude,
There it is,
guess
broken.
what?
Broken.
What is it?
Oh yeah.
Same thing.
Yep.
Popped out. So this is one of the huge issues that we could upgrade. Now we know. Guys, thanks a lot for joining Everett and I in today's ARRMA bashing adventure. Hopefully you like the EXP and the original ARRMA KRATON. We'll see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Bye!
Whoop whoop!
I'm limping it, Everett.
Your ass is dragging, bud.
Your front end is looking a little limp. Dude, look at this. I didn't even realize that was such a hard landing. I bent my shock tower. I can't even get my body off. Ugh. I'm gonna have to use pliers on that. Bye.